Hi, dear friends. Today I am going to speak on a topic that once felt like science fiction but is now become a reality: driverless cars, also known as self-driving or autonomous vehicles. In our daily lives, we use many types of technology. These achievements have made our lives more convenient, faster, and safer. Every day, new inventions are being made and they are reaching the common people. One such amazing invention is the driverless car. When we hear the term driverless car, the first question that comes to mind is it really possible? But thanks to continuous progress in science and technology, it has become possible. Very soon, we will see such car running on the road without any human driver. Just imagine you are sitting comfortably in a car, reading a book, taking a nap, while the car safely takes you to your destination. Sound unbelievable, right? But that exactly what driverless cars are designed to do. What is exactly is driverless cars? The driverless car is a smart vehicle that can sense surroundings and operate with a little to no human input. The cars are equipped with advanced technology like sensors to detect road conditions and opticals, cameras and radar to monitor traffic and pedestrians, artificial intelligence to make discussion like when to stop, run or change lines, GPS system for accurate navigation. Why do we need driverless cars? Every year, millions of accidents happen due to human errors like crazy driving, distractions, or drunk driving. Driverless car can help prevent this because they are machines. They don't get tired, distracted, or emotional. In addition, driverless cars can reduce traffic congestion through smart navigation, save fuel by maintaining consist speeds, provide independence to elderly and disabled people who cannot drive. Today, companies like Tesla, Google, Waymo, and Apple are working hard to develop fully autonomous vehicles. In some countries, these vehicles are already undergoing testing on public roads. However, some challenges remain. What happens if the system fails? How will the car respond to unpredictable human behavior? In case of accident, who will be held responsible? These are important legal, ethical, and technical questions that experts are still trying to resolve. In conclusion, the driverless car is not just a vehicle. It is revolution in transportation. It represents a future where travel will be safer, smarter, and more efficient. Let us stay aware of such technology, Stay informed and get ready for this exciting journey into the future of transportation. Thank you.